Hey everyone, this is Cici from techTongBo. We've been working with robot vacuum and vacuum cleaner replacement parts for more than 10 years. We don't sell the robot itself, we focus on the replacement parts like brushes, filters, mop rollers, dust bags, and other consumable parts. Today we have a new model on this table, the iRobot RuiBao 650. This model is for the China mainland market. According to public information, it comes with AI pressurized spring cleaning, up to 60 degrees Celsius hot mopping, a Roomba mop system, 30,000 Pascal suction power, a 3-arm anti-tangle side brush, a hair cutting main brush, AI visual obstacle avoidance, and built-in laser navigation. So this is very different from the old Roomba 600 series. It's not just a simple vacuum robot anymore. It's a vacuum and mop robot with much more complex cleaning system. Today I will look at it from a parts supplier's point of view. Let's open it. First, here's the robot body. The top design looks clean. But for replacement parts, we care more about the structure underneath and inside. When we turn it off, we can see the side brush in the main brush area. This model uses a 3-arm anti-tangle side brush. For this corner part, we need to check the screw position, brush angle, softness, and fighting shape. The main brush area is also worth checking. Public information says this model uses a hair cutting main brush design. So when we develop and confirm a replacement main brush, we need to look at the brush shape, end caps, gel site, and the locking structure. Now let's look at the mopping system. This model uses a roller mop, not a normal flat mop height. The roller keeps rotating while working with water, and the machine also supports hot mopping up to 30 degrees Celsius for replacement part rollers. The size, fabric density, water absorption, and plastic connector or metal. A small difference may affect rotation or floor contact. Another important change is the dust box design. The built-in dust container has changed to a dust bag system structure. So the robot itself now has a bag-type dust collection part. Not only in the base station, for parts suppliers, we need to check the dust bag size, sealing edge, air inlet position, and plastic frame carefully. Here's another new point, the AI pressurized spring function. Public information mentions 40,000 Pascal pressurized spring. You can see the spring-related structure in this area. Now let's look at the base station. The base is not only for charging, it supports automatic maintenance, including mop washing, drying, dust collection, and water-related cleaning work. One more thing I want to mention is the overseas washing. Roomba Plus 615 Combo is a model from iRobot's 2026 overseas product line. From public information, the Roomba Plus 615 and 675 Combo models also mention features like 16 degrees Celsius hot mopping, hot spring pretreatment, and an anti-tangle brush system. So that's my first unboxing look at the iRobot Roomba RuiBao 650. If you work with robot vacuum accessories, this is a model worth watching closely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We will keep sharing more robot vacuum parts updates, compatibility checks, and new model observations. This is Cici from techTongBo. See you in the next video.